Before this video starts, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you do not miss a video. Maybe even like and comment on my videos. But with that being said, enjoy the video. Welcome back to another video and welcome to 2021. This is going to be a very big year for me and this channel. So if you don't know, all the filming I do is on my phone, and I currently have a Samsung Galaxy S9 and I edit on my laptop. You get the point. But I am currently in the works of upgrading my phone because if you don't know, Samsung is coming out with a new phone on January 14th. I will be pre-ordering it. That's exciting. I'll make a video on it when I actually receive the phone. But that phone, it's definitely bigger than my current phone. But on my current phone, I use a pop socket, but it's also not very practical when I have to actually record and put it on the tripod because the pop socket gets in the way, so I have to take off the case, and it's a big mess. So, what I plan to do in this video, as you can tell by the title, is I'm going to be making a stand for the new phone, but also I can use with this phone or any other device. I will be making that because if you don't know, I'm a tinkerer. I love working with my hands, so I will be making a stand for the phone since I will not be having a pop socket anymore. So, we'll see how this goes. I think it's going to come out really good. Other than that, let's start the process, or montage, whatever, you'll see. So there are a lot of ways we can go about this. I could use wood, and I could use metal, or I could really challenge myself and make it out of this block of wood, so I think, okay. I might go with this, right? You kind of see what I'm doing, right? I might go with that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I might work with this and see how it goes. Alright, so my wood one, it broke. Yeah, everything broke. So, time to upgrade the material, as funny as it sounds. So, time to make it out of metal. Let's go. And here is the final product, the metal one. Simple, straight piece of metal. Well, not straight anymore. It was a straight piece of metal. We bent it, right? Has a little lip right here so the phone can sit horizontal and vertically. And we have this little curve. It's a nice curve, modern curve, right? We can easily bend it and unbend it to adjust the tilt, but I have it set to a tilt that I like. Right? It works perfectly. I love it. It looks amazing also. And I think I'm going to keep this metal color. Like, I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm going to keep it this color because the phone I will be getting in black. And if you want to see that video where I actually unbox the phone and have my first impressions, make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And don't forget to like and comment. I would really appreciate it. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Thank you.